Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're looking at the Arpha A14 4K dashcam. A very slim and budget-friendly dashcam. I already installed it in my car. I'm going to show you the unboxing, we're going to take a look at the app, and of course I will show you footage by day and also by night. In the box we do have tools and hooks for cable management, an extra adhesive strip, the power cable that is directly attached to the power adapter, and here is my curious cat, hello Kiwi, to check out what I'm doing and to review together with me the manual. We do get 2 adhesive strips for the windshield, and here is the main event, our dashcam. The first thing I do is peeling off the protection film over the lens. Of course it's height adjustable. It is an extreme lightweight. What I like is that we do have a GPS unit built in. On the right side we do have a USB-C port to power the dashcam and a slot for our microSD card. I already pre-installed the adhesive film on the windshield, and now it's time to peel off the protection film from the 3M tape and to press our dashcam against the windshield. After a quick height adjustment on the camera, it's time to connect our dashcam to the power. I already installed a microSD card in my dashcam. By the way, there was no microSD card included. Here I'm plugging in the USB-C cable.
Recording started.
And this is the display. As you can see, it's clear, it's clean, and it's very well readable.
Wi-Fi is on.
In order to get the Arpha app, you should scan the QR code in the manual. After installing the app, go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and connect it to the Arpha network. The secret passcode here is 12345678. As soon as you're connected to the network, you can tap the Arpha Vision app and connect your phone directly to the camera. For the first time you have to follow a few prompts and always confirm, and then voila, here we are. I had to readjust my front cam a little bit. And then of course, if you want to go into the settings, you have to stop the recordings and tap on the top right on the gear wheel. Here everything is completely self-explaining. Video resolution, you can change the loop recording, and so much more. Of course, in the app you also have the option to view and to download your footage. The good thing is it connects right away without any interferences. Alright, next up I'm showing you 1.5 minutes footage by day in 4K. And now it's time for me to show you some footage by night, again in 4K. So after watching my review, what are your thoughts on the Arpha A14 4K dashcam? It's quite budget friendly, isn't it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And you know, a free way to support my channel would be to leave a like. And if you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.